and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to make a simple designer neckline. So this will make your kurti look elegant and beautiful. So let's get started. So this is the kurti and I have folded this from here. This is the armhole side. So from here, from the folded side, I am going to measure the measurement. So first I'll take the width, I'll take 3 inches. Total depth of my neckline will be around 7 inches. So I'll mark 7 inches here. So 5 inches down, I'll mark a straight line. And then from here, the 7 inches down, I'll take around 0.7 inches and then I'll join these 2 points from here to here. Now I'll take this point down. Now whatever length you want for this area, you can take it. I'm taking 7 inches and again 0.7 inches I'll take from here also. So this is also 0.7 and this is also 0.7 and I'll join these 2 points. Like this. Now I will cut this out. So this is the basic design of my neckline. Now we will complete this. So first we will cut the design on the canvas paper. So here I have got my canvas paper. Now fold this from one side and draw your neckline here, similarly that you have made on the kurti. So just take 3 inches and then total length is 7 inches here. So I'll mark 5 inches down, then 0.7 inches from this side, and then join these 2 points, then 7 inches down again, take 0.7 from here. Now join these 2 points. So this will be my basic neckline. Now take around 1 inch extra like this. Whatever the design you have made here, take 1 inch extra and this is for the cutting. So now we will cut this. So it will look something like this. You don't have to cut the inner part. Don't cut this inner part, just cut the outer part like this. Now we will stick this canvas paper to the fabric with the help of iron. So now my canvas paper is sticked to the fabric and it's looking like this. This is the right side. So now take the right side of your this part and the right side of your kurti like this. This is the right side of my kurti and right side of the canvas paper here. Facing both the right sides together, we have to attach both these pieces like this. So first make sure that this difference should be 6 inches, whatever the width of your neckline you have given at the time of measurement. So you have to give that much here. I have given 6 inches, so I'll mark 6 inches here. So like this. Now pin this so that it will be easy for you to give a stitch. Here my neckline is pinned like this. Now I'm going to give a stitch just on the edges of the neck design like this. So take it down and then give the stitch all over the neck. So now I'm going to give a stitch just on the edges of the neckline. So start giving a stitch from one side. So now my both the pieces are attached and it's looking like this. Now we will cut this out. Now we will give the small cuts to the neckline. Now just turn this part inside like this. And from the right side it will look something like this. So take out the neckline part properly and very cleanly like this. So this is my neckline and it's looking like this. Now on this part I'm going to attach a piece of fabric here. So take a fabric and fold this in half, something like this, and then I'm going to give a stitch from one side so that it will be a double layer fabric. Then I'm going to attach this inside like this. So just keep this in your mind that whatever the width of your this part is, take little bit extra to the both sides so that it will be easy for you to get it stitched. So take the piece of fabric. Now I'm going to give a stitch from one side. This piece of fabric is ready and it's looking like this. Now on this I'm going to give some strips of fabric. So I'll take a long pieces, something like this, and then I'll fold this in half. So take the right side inside. This is the right side. So take the right side inside and fold this in half and give a stitch from one side. My strips are stitched like this. Now cut the extra fabric from this side and then turn this inside out. So for that, take the needle and thread and tie a knot from one side, and then give us one now knot. Take your needle inside the strip and take it out carefully from the another side. Like this. Now try to pull your thread carefully and then take it out the inner part outside like this. You can see my strips are ready. I have given the iron. So this is the piece of fabric, and on this I'm going to attach these pieces like this. I'll cut it from here. So just cut this. So just cut these pieces equally, and then we are going to attach these pieces like this. So here I'm going to attach all my small strips to this piece of fabric. So for that, just fold this from one side, from the top, and then take one strip like this, and then start giving a stitch from one side. Similarly, we have to attach all my pieces to this piece. So here all the strips are attached here, and it's looking like this, and this is my neckline. This is the right side of my neckline. So now I'm going to place this piece inside my neckline like this, and now I'm going to attach this piece like this. So for that, just pin this. Start giving a stitch from one shoulder just on the edges of your neckline. So start giving a stitch from here and then come to this point and then keep giving a stitch just on the edges and then turn and then take it to the top and just cover all your neckline. So here I have given the stitches just on the edges of the neckline, and this piece is attached to the neckline and it's looking like this. You can see it's looking so beautiful. So now if you want, you can just leave this neckline like this only because it's looking very graceful and elegant. But if you want to decorate it more, then you can always attach a lace. So I'm going to attach this lace to the sides of the neckline. So my lace is also attached to the neckline, all over the neckline, and it's looking like this. Now you have to complete your kurti in a regular way. Just attach your front part with the back part from the shoulders and then complete the sleeves and then do the fittings. So this way my designer neckline is ready and it's looking like this. It's very easy to make. I hope you liked it. Thanks for watching.